So the fun part about this game is that you can choose your mode. I believe that easiest is the most fun because it allows you more time to think. The other modes are, especially hard, is more impossible. But easy, you can go ahead and play, and the goal isn't necessarily to win, but to get the highest score. It's also kind of a gamble. As you see, every time I shoot, the paintball is going to be a for sure color that it is presented down below. You can also, whenever you click out, if red isn't the color that you need, you can double click to change it. Now, whenever you shoot the grenade will not be, or will not always be, the same color that is presented below as whenever you left click for the paintball shot. The grenade is a randomized color between the red, yellow, and blue. So here I'll press the space bar, and we shot out a blue. The color was yellow, and we shot out a red. It really is just randomized, and you just try to get as many points as possible that you can within the allotted amount of time. Like I said, it is a gamble. I could keep pressing spacebar, and even though I'm still ended up losing with just using the grenade. So it's not always the best method. It might be a little bit better to use the paintballs at certain times. In a moment, once this game finishes up, I will go ahead and run a short demo of the different mode options just so you can see the speed difference. And that's game over. So here you will get the chance to go ahead and play a little bit faster. And then finally hard mode. And that's all that is to it. It's more of an intellectual game that just tests to see how fast you can react and what the highest score that you can personally get is. Thank you.